As long as I've been driving, so that's 30 years now, my vehicle's always gone to Tom's. Mm-hmm. We just know, okay, there's an issue with a vehicle. We'll give Tom's a call and we'll get it in, it'll be done, it'll get done promptly. We haven't ever had to deal with bad experiences because of the quality shop that they run, the quality people that they have there.
They always know. Even some of the guys I don't know as well, I'll walk in and they're like, oh, it's Denise. And they can grab my keys. They know exactly which vehicle I'm there for. And I have no problem asking any questions on anything that they've done to my vehicle. They send me texts with the pictures of insides and I have no idea what I'm looking at, but they describe it all to me. I don't feel like they look at me any differently that I'm a woman.
They don't treat the kids or Denise any differently. And I appreciate that they don't, talk down to them. They don't say, oh, we'll wait and talk to your dad later. And it's nice to know, when you have the emergency issue, Nathan's Ranger had a flat tire. I know it's probably a month ago.
He came out of school and he's got a flat tire. He's like, what do I do? I'm like, well, pump it up
and drop it off at Tom's.
Drop it off at Tom's. I'll meet you there. I just know that I can drop it off and call him in the morning.
I trust that what they're telling me is real. It really does need to be done. It's not I just want to try and make a little bit more money off you right now when I can. We just don't have to worry. We know when something goes wrong with our vehicles, it'll be taken care of promptly, and at a reasonable price. We've been lucky enough to have 4 wonderful children. But in all of the things I've watched them do over the years, the hardest thing, hands down for me, was the first day our kids drove on their own.
There's nobody with them.
On his own with the car. And is it safe? And that's the most I can ask for out of Tom's. Is just, I know that things are safe. That helped those days a little bit. As I sat there on the couch nervously, waiting for them to pull back in the driveway. When people ask me where you take your car, do you have a suggestion? I never have to worry that this is a bad suggestion to them. I really do put you as the best person or the best mechanic for someone to take their vehicle to.
It doesn't matter how many vehicles you have or how old your vehicle is or how new it is or how well taken care of it is or how not well taken care of it is. I mean, you do get the same level of care, the same level of commitment, the same level of expertise is shared, no matter where you came from.